like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254 being tuned in for another one. As you can see, I got a tarp off the car. The reason I had the tarp off is because I hadn't sealed this back up. So I finished pulling off the old sealant or whatnot, man. Got us a new tube. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go ahead and silicone this back together so that we don't have any leaks. You just want to make sure you clean out all the old sealant. You know what I'm saying? For the groove, you know what I'm saying? Put it all in there. So that's where all your screws go. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got all that cleaned out. You know what I'm saying? So you can put your new sealant off in there and have a good seal all the way around. All the way around. So I'm finna get everything just set back up. You know what I'm saying? Hooked up inside of this box. It's a little rod. It's a little rod to hook up right there. I gotta hook that back up. And then I'm gonna silicone around this bitch and put it back on here. This won't be a video by itself. I'll add this with some other shit and then go from there. So let me get this done and I'll cut you back on. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LSCR254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel. Watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Elisera254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so we got that done over there. Up under the thing, it's gonna take about 12 to 24 hours to cure. You know what I'm saying? Finna come over here. You know what I'm saying? Get these lifters or rockers. Excuse me, rockers. That's the wrong size. What's that? That's like a. That's my damn 10 millimeter. Where's my 10 millimeter? Oh no, that is a 10. I need an 8. So yeah, we finna go ahead and get this put on here. As soon as I find an 8 millimeter. I know it's around here somewhere. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and start putting these rockers on. Time lapse. Alright, so as you can see here, took the spark plugs out as we was rotating the motor over. Everything is installed, looking good, looking great. Next step, got these new valve cover gaskets. From the book say that these is mandatory. However, you can reuse it says you can reuse the gaskets that are on the screws. So these on here, I mean, they don't look bad, don't look worn or whatever, so we're gonna rock with these and get them installed in there and whatnot. So let me get them on here and cut you back on. I mean, it's time to button this bitch up. I mean, she good. Torque down, whatever. Woo woo. Next to be the valley cover intake. You know what I'm saying? Putting all that good stuff on. Actually, I didn't realize that these came with it. And it's actually a difference. How these sit off in the valve cover here between. Let me see. If you see here, I guess these are like Gen 4 or whatever, and then these are like Gen 3. You know what I'm saying? But the way that those sit off in there, they sit off in there like that, so they pretty much seal off in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them installed, and then we'll be good to go. So. Alright, so as you can see, we got the gaskets in there installed, both sides. Looking good, looking good. The only thing now we gotta do this valley pan cover. You know, we got that already. It also comes with these gaskets here at the end. Let me see what the actual name of it is. Knock sensor grommets. So we're gonna pull these old ones out, replace it with these new ones, and get that all put together. Alright, so we got the old ones knocked out. They down here on the ground somewhere. one over there. And another one somewhere else. I don't think that one flew like the other one did. So yeah, but you gotta put these on here, knock them in with a rubber mallet, get them in there like that. And of course your new gasket for here is like that. So she about to be all sealed up, gentlemen. All sealed up.